Hi guys, tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, I am going to have a Zoom meeting with you guys where whoever signs on will get to see and hear each other, and you'll see me and hear me. So I've never done it before. We're going to experiment together. So if you're interested in meeting online, you are going to come to your Google Classroom and you're going to go to classwork like that. And we've been having your assignments in the day, under the day, like tomorrow's is going to be Wednesday. It'll be right there. But you'll see at the top, it has Zoom link. You're going to click on Zoom link and there is all the information you're going to need. Just click on this link right here and it'll help you figure out how to sign into Zoom, and then you will be able to join our meeting. So have your parents help you. Go to Zoom link, click on tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and I'll be on there, and maybe your classmates will be on there too. Can't wait to try it. See you in the morning. Bye.